Okay, so I just missed it. The 04 Tempstar just turned on, and my friend's just texting me. As this, and as in this theme. Oh my god! Yes, I played. Okay. My friend thinks I don't know what Steam is. I've played BeamNG Drive on Steam. Oh, well that helps. Kind of wanted to film the 04 Tempstar at night while it was off, but apparently it just turned on. As you can see, it is night right now. Here, let me show you the time on my other phone. It's 8:36 p.m. right now. Oh, I can also show you the weather. It's 80 degrees right now. With the humidity, it feels like 90, kind of. A little bit. I'm out here with my dog. I'll make a video of that later. Hunter ceiling fan, but... Okay. He said okay. Let's go a little closer to it. Shut the gate so my dog doesn't run out again. But yeah. It's not the noisiest air conditioner I've heard. My neighbor had a noisy Kenmore unit. They replaced it with, I think it was like a GE or something. I don't know. Lines are nice and cold and sweaty. There's a data sheet, by the way. It's an air conditioner, straight cool unit. 2004, manufactured in 2004, I should say. Yeah, the Tempstar logo has come off the unit, and it says International Comfort Products on the data sheet. So I know it's a nice. So I know Tempstar's brand of ICP, but I think Tempstar is also Carrier. That's where I heard, I've heard that somewhere. The clouds, Jesus. It's the, C4. C4 go-kart. Yeah. As you can see down in there, it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. At least it's got good components. At least it's got the good compressor in it. If you can see that, but yeah, I'll get a video of there's a Carrier Comfort series Central AC near my friend's house, and I kind of want to get a video of that too. So that's probably going to be coming in a week or something. I don't know when I'm going to film it, but well, if I have enough time, I will. What are you doing? What are you doing, Lola? Don't get your head stuck in the railing. Even though she never did, but... What are you doing? So cute. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys, if that's going off in the video. That's just my other phone. Lola thinks I'm crazy, because I'm filming a YouTube video, but yeah, I don't think this is gonna turn off. This is gonna shut off. It'd be cool if I could get it to shut down, but you can hear the fan going. You can barely hear that Copeland scroll going. It's pretty quiet, actually. This Copeland scroll compressor is actually pretty dang quiet. Well, the unit is actually pretty quiet for how old it is, actually. Like, a lot of older central air conditioners are quieter than the new ones. I find that to be weird, but, yeah. It's, got a 3-bladed fan. It might have a Gentech or a GE fan motor. I don't know what fan motor it has because I can't see. The fan motor is literally mounted on the compressor instead of like the design where it's mounted on the fan grill, which I like that design better. It looks for a nicer design, but like the data for the fan grill is back here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I could probably go up on the deck and see if I can read it. While the fan is running. Well, not the fan, the whoosh, my phone almost fell. The condenser is running. I don't think I can, to be honest. No. It's caged up anyways, as you can see, but So this is it from the deck, as you saw in the beginning of the video. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. A video of that Comfort series carrier is coming, so peace.